then. So I have $5,000 here. Here for Gloria from Miss Lizzie. I'll say hi to Charmaine.
Hi Charmaine. How are you doing?
Yes. I'm sending that envelope here for you. Because Nurse Jackie from the USA.
Turn on.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jackie. Go to the camera and turn on that of fool me.
Oh, it's hard, man.
The light, baby.
Oh, you're not seeing the light.
Yeah.
She want him. So she's single and she's ready to mingle, right? Single and ready to mingle. There, man. I pass through, you know. I have an envelope for you. From Miss Nurse Jackie from the US. You know, give this envelope to give to you. Her name is Nurse Jackie.
Thank you, Nurse Jackie. Thank you.
This is my burger. So you're gonna tell them what is in my burger.
Okay, so that's a jerk patty. So it's made from beans and vegetables.
So
and it's a turmeric bun made from spelt flour.
$5,000.
Thank you very much. Lizzie, thank you very much, Lizzie. Thank you very much, Lizzie.
Yeah, man, Jesus, there, man, you know.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, we just come off of the road, people, and I tell them I'm tired, that's it. Skin all white. Yeah, you know, get look a lotion and all that days, look more rub up, you see me, I say? Yeah, man. Up and running, man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well guys, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, you know. So blessed love and welcome back to Kina Life in Jamaica. Yes guys, imagine I got up, so I'm going to get some cement, you know, for some work to get done on my place. And then on my way to budget, I got a phone call from the Kiwanis that they got a phone call as well too from the barrel company that the barrel name is here in Jamaica. You know, sweet Jamaica. So how sweet that is. So what I'm gonna do now, before I go to get the cement, I'm gonna head down to Wharf to where it is, you know, start the process for them to can go inside and set the appointments and everything for us to collect the barrels, you know. So I'm so happy that the barrels is here, and really quick though, because what, 2 weeks? Yes, it's gonna be 2 weeks now. We see Monday gone, so Monday coming, so that was quick. Yeah, so it will be 2 weeks tomorrow. Yeah, that's quick still, you know. So that quality one, yeah, they literally take 2 weeks. The guys, they take 2 weeks to reach here, so that wasn't bad. So that's where I'm gonna head to now. You know, that's where I'm literally gonna head to now. And yeah, I feel good that the barrel is here now, you know, so at least now we can get these things out of the way so everyone can get what they're meant to get, you know, and the journey continues from there, you know. So blessed love. I want to thank all my extended family that make it possible, you know, for us to get these barrels here in Jamaica. You know, there's nothing but love and love alone, you know. But it's been raining, you know, got couple days of rain already, you know, so I hope it's not a continuation of rain, but let's say rain is a blessing same way, you know, but you know, so we give thanks. So that's where I'm heading now. So now I'm literally right here in 3 Mile. So this is 3 Mile and this is the overhead flyover bridge right here, you know. So how much of you haven't been back to Jamaica from the longest while, you know, have you noticed? I've been to these sides of Kingston, so this is the flyover bridge I'm really under, you know. So this takes you up Agda Park Road. I don't know if you remember the old time days how 3 Mile used to look when you used to have a roundabout right here in the middle. You used to have this mini roundabout here in the middle, you know, but now you have flyover there, flyover here, you know. So look at that. Where Jamaica has transformed itself, you know. So that is good still, you know. Jamaica improving. So here we go. The only flyover here. No, I'm not lying, it's not. So this is the gas station. It's always been there, it's never left. So let me just go inside the gas station first to go get some gas to be on my way. Got a large smoothie before I reach one by the next side of the building. So you have two sides. It's not this side. This is this is 2nd Street. Yes, go on the next side of 2nd Street. I'm going. So stop up there. A big smoothie here. So you always have a smoothie man outside as well. There I walk past the place. General.
Yeah, no general.
Good thing, I best you can't tell me the good thing about what at this time of the season. It's not busy. It's not busy at all. So that's good. It's not like in them season if everyone want their barrel, you know, it's a problem. So let me head round by the next building. No, it's not this one. Yo. Alright guys, so I'm here. You know, this is the next side of the big blue building. So you say you're coming down.
Come on, man. Smart world, I'm going to say it. My drop off. Hey,
alright then, sure.
And then the other thing to know, she has to recognize because she doesn't recognize it from that far.
Oh, she know my van.
She never know it about.
Oh, me the van closed.
Whatever, you know. Yeah, because we have glasses on. Come never see us and look there's something there.
Alright guys, I'm here with the cute money's, you know, getting things done. So I'm here with Marlene. So you want to say hi to Charmaine?
Hi Charmaine. How are you doing?
Yes. Alright guys, so you know, we're here with the Kiwanis, you know, so.
But my party is Saturday night, you know.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Officers Club. Karen is here.
Oh, she's here, right?
Yeah. Now she sent me the invoice and she sent me the second about the property stuff. She found her this morning over.
This Saturday.
Yeah. This Saturday I put
NHT,
NHT, yeah. Crazy Chris. I don't know. Money ways, fun for.
Yeah.
Check. Hey, what's up?
We try to make it. Alright guys, so see that we have to thank Miss Marlene so much, you know, so she made the process going through.
Yes.
So it's just a
So by
matter of...
Monday, hopefully, we should have everything ready.
Okay,
Okay.
so big up to the Kiwanis. Hello,
That's
Miss
all.
Charmaine and the Sunrise team.
And Carol.
Big up
Big
yourself,
up President Carol.
Oh, she's the president. I don't know,
Yes.
so we is the resident.
The resident.
Oh.
All the time. All right, darling. Later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Later.
We are worried about. Look how you look cute. We are worried about. Alright, I go to them. Alright. Alright guys, so, you know, so that's been sorted out. So I'm just waiting for the call. And then now all the fruits ripe. You know, so that is good. So at least now we can work with the Kiwanis, you know, to get something out the way, you know, so that's even much better for us moving forward. So what pattern what them sell over here? What you sell over here? Don't worry. Alright, so I'm gonna get they do the bean wrap, black beans wrap, black beans and black eyed peas. So this is a smoothie spot, vegetarian also, you know. So you can get a bean wrap, yeah, black beans, black eyed peas. So black beans, black eyed peas and what? And chickpeas. So you get the 3 beans in a wrap with vegetables. So that's not bad, right? With my smoothie, early start in the morning, you know. So I got the wild thing on the way. So about Monday, you know, then hopefully we'll get the phone call, then we can go make an appointment, and then we can go and pick up the barrels and go clear them. And then everybody get their shoes or something, you know. So this is where I'm at now. It's like a little local bus stop, you know, truck stop. We drive around and get the food at the stop. This nice Empress is gonna start it out for me. Brown skin. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm here. I'm vlogging at the same time. Although, of course, we could have talked to myself. Like I start, it has to be mad though. Suppose you never see the camera. I said, no, sir, I was mad man this I talk to himself. You know. So when I come here, you're gonna see her to prepare your sandwich. The brown skin there. Brown skin. What's your name, Brownie? Kelly. So her name is Kelly. So everybody named Kelly always seems to have a nice smile. Like Kelly Roll-On. You know Kelly Roll-On, Nelly and Kelly. So you know Nelly then Kelly? She don't know Nelly. I hope you can meet Nelly one day. So Kelly is going to prepare it over there. Hello. Thank you, Kelly. Kelly, what's your IG? Wagwan 28. Wagwan 28. That's Instagram, right? Okay. Are your business this? Okay, that's yours here. Okay. Alright, big up yourself, right? Alright guys, so I got my wrap, beans wrap. Got my phone. I don't know, I've been leaving my phone whenever I go somewhere. So I got this beans wrap here. So I'm gonna try it out. Black bean, chickpeas and black eyed peas. Something like so. Oh yeah, forgive me if I forgot which beans. So the sun is hot. Welcome to Jamaica, sun. Run left the cold and back in the sun. So this is my duty done. So I'm gonna head to Kingston, Kingston Wharf. I'm gonna head to Budget now to get some cement. Get some cement for my home. You know, so so we can get some work done on my place. You know, so doing some cement work at mine, guys. You know, everything goes. So still putting in some work at mine. You know, so you know, after a while, you have to keep refurbish, so the place don't deteriorate. So that's what I'm literally doing. So here's the box that is in. So let me show you what's inside. So this is the, I call it the mini box. Okay, so that's it there. So you got 2 mini wraps. You take it out just like this, and you can see the beans on top with the lettuce, chickpeas, black beans, and black eyed peas. So you go like this and take a first bite. Wow, it's quite surprising. It's quite surprising. It actually tastes good. This is quite surprising, I'm not lying. It literally tastes good, you know. And as I say, the black beans, black eyed peas, and chickpea with vegetable, you know, in the wrap. Quite surprising though. Never expect it would have tasted this good. So that's good. That's outside the wharf. You can come here at the wharf. You see that bus. So let me go enjoy this, guys, and then I'm gonna head to Budget and get some cement, drop them off, and then head on to the road. So stay tuned. But remember, another thing before we go, guys, please please to subscribe. And what's been happening, we got 65.5% people that's watching haven't subscribed. So people always say, Kino, it's time for you to reach 100,000 subscribers. Guys, it has 65.5% did subscribe. I would have reached 100,000 a long time. So you have that amount of people watching and they haven't subscribed, you know. So please, guys, if you know you're one of them that's watching and you haven't subscribed, just remember, please subscribe. You know, if you're watching for your TV and you don't know to subscribe from your TV, you can also subscribe on your smartphone, you know, so you can ask someone how to do it. So that is a problem. And the percentage that literally will get the notification, so you have 12% of the subscribers that select the bell, the notification for all. Only 12%, right? So it's not even 50% of the viewers and that's watching my program will get the notification, because they never select all notification. Yes, you might subscribe and you might hit the bell, but in the option you have choice where you can select all, right? So that's what's been missing, why most people been complaining, so they're not getting the notification, because a lot of people been complaining, so they're not getting any notification. So that is one of the reasons you haven't been getting no notification, because when you select the bell, you have to also go in the option where you have to choose to select all, right? So it's only 12% of my viewers them only select to get the notification whenever, anytime at all. Only 12%. And only 65.5% of my viewers them haven't subscribed to Kina Life in Jamaica. So imagine if the 65.5% did subscribe, I would have reached at 100,000 a long time, you know. So that's how many people is watching and they haven't subscribed, you know. So thanks to each one that subscribed. So if you do subscribe, remember, please select the option, you know, when you hit the bell, select all, so you won't miss any notification. You won't miss nothing at all. So please guys, you know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know, because you're watching and you haven't subscribed, you know. But I still appreciate the love, seeing me, I appreciate the support, you know. But you can subscribe until the program grows, you know, so you can also do so. So I'm gonna keep reminding you guys, you know, just in case if we get to do it, you know. But that is the challenge that I'm going through right now, you know, because I spoke to YouTube and they give me all this geography, tell me what's going on, the reason why people keep missing the notification and everything, because 12% is only 12% select to get the notification, which is the select all. You know, some people hit the bell but they never select all, right? And for the subscribers, it's only 35% of the people then that literally select who subscribe. So 65.5% of my viewers them haven't subscribed to the program. So if that 65 did select the subscribe, trust me, would have reached 100,000 a long time. So guys, so please let's do this. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I thank you so much. So let me eat my sandwich, then I'm gonna head on the road and then get back to you guys. So blessed love, and I love you all. Alright guys, so we at the budget, so let's get outside.
Everybody up there, so.
You don't remember me?
You mean me?
Why you always bring me?
Back the side.
Back to side. Yeah, fine, back to side.
Yeah, I remember your exact man. Wait, but I'm going to carry you. More than one time.
More than one time you can't remember.
I can't remember. I think I was going to go Penwood Road and go for that.
No.
Right.
Penwood Road. Take out the glass, man, and look good. It seems like you have on your glass. The glass one lens.
How come you carry it?
You've been with so much time and you can't remember. Yes, I get in a age now, right? Alright. See if you bring me all the time.
You was just back some back. I just find some. And then go
Yeah.
Yeah, but I idea with back to carry man. Yeah, one man.
Cement. 7. See all ball there to blow. Eh?
Come here, boy.
What's your charge?
But you can tell us.
Big up.
I want to tell you something about 2.5 what I did this morning. And you have 2 jobs still have a van two gallon. Can't give 2 gallon. 2.5 just can't give 2 gallon. When you use the diesel. Yeah. I got it, you know.
Just reverse on.
Me and grandpa there, I use a grandpa. Grandpa can't remember me.
I
Alright. Hello, mommy. Wow. Remember all this? Yeah. That's the phone. Remember who?
The guy will come in here was from video.
Oh gosh, you will have more. Remember me now? Oh. You remember me now? Oh, I forgot the face, what happened? Oh, you forgot the face. Everything good though?
You safe everything alright?
Happy New Year.
I hope that's not today, no?
Yeah, I wasn't here. I wasn't here. Yeah. So I'm back here now, you know? Come catch her off guard. Stop hide your face.
Stop video me now?
Stop hide your face. So I go on.
Hello.
You know we are hide your face. More some cement. We are fight me also, miss. We are fight me also. Are you see it?
Yeah.
Them I am today, you know. You know, there's an I am in. Are you on fire? Yeah, on fire, the man I am just like that. Them say, and you name Seraphim. And
Yes? Where am I?
cement. Oh, you say, my chair there, man. You know, your job is there. See, actually, there be here. So, the fire, you know, I am, you know. Yes, 100 bag more. No one will pass it.
Did you blend the one?
No, it doesn't be better yet.
I'm sure I'm
We are definitely already. No? Video. And I got anytime make she look extra cute.
Well, like I'm the camera. Hello guys, I'm asking for sponsor for 2-door and some 7 windows for my new house.
2-door and 7 window. Big house you have, man.
7 windows.
7 window.
2 front door. In all I need 6 door. But I just
6 door.
The 2 front door, which is the more, you know, to enhance the beauty.
So you're not asking for a husband?
Yes, I always have you. I always have you.
You have me, she have me, you know. She have a big baby like me.
Don't you see them find me? Sometimes you find me that means say it's mine.
You know, in that terms, when them say them have you, that means that she probably a big son, right? And she could have a big son like me. So she not have me. She could never birth me. So I guess she want a husband, right? They say, want a husband? Yeah? You see her eyes them, put your eyes them, look on the eyes them. So right away she need a husband, right? Because she have a big house, 6 door. I think my house have an half a door. 6 door she want. Now some they have half guys, not even half. She wants 6.
6 door and 7 window.
Wait there, so how much was that? How much was that?
Well, actually it was 3 inside living room, kitchen, but I kind of make it different now.
Oh wow.
The bigger room I would have been third, I turn it in a bathroom room and my son. So now we actually have 2 rooms, 1 bathroom, a living room with kitchen and a veranda, and I also have a carport.
Okay, so 2 room, the living room, bathroom, kitchen.
And the veranda.
And your veranda. And your car park. You have a parking space so you can park on our land. Park on our land. So and it seems like she's single and she's ready to mingle. And she's looking for a husband too, right? Oh.
Come on, buy them. Come on.
Open a him call.
No.
Oh, it's on a him, so she not have a him.
And a him card.
She want him. So she's single and she's ready to mingle, right? Single and ready to mingle. And if you want them pretty eye, you can make a pretty eye baby too. You know what I mean? Alright, so guys, there's no thing goes on. I'm going to get some cement. I'm going to upload it. I'll pull you over.
Jesus Christ, no.
Yeah, but no, Jesus Christ. When then?
Your channel now?
Say it again. So guys, we upload already. She got up top. Up top. So guys, let me get some cement and come back. We got a fire already. Yeah, of course it's live. See there? Live. So much people are watching 9,400. She live and direct. Alright, come right up some cement for me. 1.7 bags.
Let me come back.
Right, I'm getting cement in my door. So we're live. So that's a 9,900.
Too much time. You want to show my face, that is it.
Nothing wrong.
No, we can't talk.
Talk, man.
Black out his face.
Can't black it out. I have to go white it out.
You don't understand what I'm talking about, you cover it.
No, not for see it.
No. No one can go and then, no.
Then what?
No, but I make it.
No shame in the game. They not feel laugh. I can just smile a bit.
Me a smile, but we don't show my face.
Well, of course, I'm gonna like to smile. You never know. You're single and ready to mingle too? You know? Oh, what that mean? That one is a certain. See, you're single and ready to mingle, right? Alright. You're single and ready to mingle? No? Tamara, you're single and ready to mingle? You're ready to mingle, but you're not single?
No, I'm not sick.
Huh? Go on.
We have people who come here and can't see them face, so they price around them and face.
I like that one day. I like that one day. And please, I'm sure.
Here. Okay guys, you know today is my daughter's birthday and I need a care package. Please and thank you.
Say something. Say something.
She's asking for my favorite birthday care package for little dog. Anybody can assist, can contact tomorrow or what age care package and answer tomorrow.
Tamara, give them a number then. Give them a number.
871-7160.
So it's 871.
7160.
Okay. So them can call you, right?
Yeah.
Alright. You my friend, you know, give out there. Wait, I'm going to ring from the finger over there, so how I go on?
She engaged.
She engage. She eng or she en?
Eng.
No sir. Alright, Raquel. Come on, Rock. Alright guys, I'm going to stop give trouble now. I'm going to pay for the cement and then run. Express. Peter. Hey. Yeah.
What me a talk about?
Pixie.
Yeah. And tomorrow may I get them there?
Yeah, give me a list to the whole and list I see same thing. No, don't get it yet. Not for yourself, man. You're gonna get it.
Number, I want them up the number.
The number got the points, so the man call you. So this is our list. All she wants is rice, flour, sugar, corn.
More than that. So when I get my picture, nobody has to.
Don't worry, man. You get the fix it. I never move in here. So where you going? Don't worry yourself, man.
The toilet, them there for going to
Seriously,
go in
don't
the
worry.
bathroom to the toilet.
Tired? Don't worry yourself, rock. Listen, every time I have my goods, you have to check them. You have to check them? Alright. Most time I go on sometime. I park right there, say, you know. Right there, so on that street, right there, so. Right there, my park. Alright guys, so I got my cement. So whee! Traffic build up already. Them put on my seat belt. The traffic build up already. Yes guys, I know say it is the next day, so I'm on my way to go Living Foods. So imagine on the way to Living Foods, it's so much traffic, so I literally have to park in Pavilion Plaza and just walk the rest of it here in Halfway Tree because it is too much traffic. I spent 1 hour already on Agley Park Road, so I'm not going to spend the next hour just to reach the Living Foods. So I decided I'm going to walk it. Yeah, get that exercise in and go to Living Foods. I can't deal with it. Too much traffic. Too much traffic on the other side, man. Trust me, Jamaica is full of so much traffic right now, so I'm on Kingston Road, heading up. This is going back down in Halfway Tree. That is, this direction is down back in Halfway Tree, but on the other side going up towards Kingston Street, that's where the traffic is. The traffic is not much coming this direction. We're walking through, but the rest is, you know, I can see on this side traffic is not much coming back down. But on the other side, to drive up, trust me, the traffic is hectic that way. So, imagine that. I wish it was like this. So I park the vehicle and start to foot it. Look at no traffic this side coming down into Halfway Tree. But on the next side, I know it's one way come down, and the next side is to go up. So for me to go up, traffic around there is hectic, you know, but for coming down is no problem. But I rather just walk it, do some foot exercise. So do some foot exercise, yeah. KFC, Spring Plaza. So for you guys who haven't, you know, been to Jamaica last year, you know, now we're in the new year, so I'm just showing you some Jamaica right now, just in case you're missing Jamaica so much, missing Artery Tree so much, missing Tropical Plaza so much. So let me have something for you. Tropical Plaza is over there where you can get stuff. There's living food over there, so kinda, yeah, the walking makes sense. Exercise. What's up? Happy New Year. Blessed. Happy New Year.
How are you?
Good.
Today?
You know my burger and the smoothie.
Which one?
Smoothie. The Progizer. It is fairly, you know. Yeah, I'm having. Let me get you have avocado? No avocado. Alright then, let me get the turmeric bun, right?
Yeah.
Alright. L2A, you know?
Yeah, man, yes,
N1?
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright. You're getting her into it.
Yeah, man.
She's the way. Trust me.
Baby, that is what we're creating. Not the love.
Not the love, no.
This type of love is
Natural herbs.
Natural herbs.
Yes, natural herbs. Your daughter?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, man.
Yeah.
The last, right?
Yeah.
How are you saying? Like you're not sure. Seems like you're going again.
I'm in Nasser and she's going on one.
True. Yeah. I don't blame my pops. Make it look like me now try. Yeah. Well, it's like I'm not trying at all. How much you got already? 9. Nine. Damn, we are behind. It's not. I can't catch you again though. Hey, I can't. Listen, him gone already.
You follow them place here, get you, right?
Yeah. Jaja. And still I hold up strong.
Yeah, man.
And it seems like you have one more left to pop out. See?
Yeah.
So it says the LTE till doing that?
Yes, I am.
So how old is I?
72.
72. Jaja, still a shoot.
I know.
Wait, but Dr. said but still a shoot at 70 though?
Yeah.
Yeah, so see there, Dr. Sebi was shooting at 70, you know. But it's never too late for a show for him. Probably can catch up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because I only get 2.
You only job for the time, you know. Financially, take care, you take care.
Yeah.
First time, I get 2 something out of them. them get, like I said, broke over one another. No one did no other.
Yeah.
And the way you try to sell them people again. The first time, you got stuff war is small and so and then put it
Yeah, it's true. No, them are grow them out really quick though.
Yeah.
Really quick.
Even school and book, you know?
Yeah.
First time I want to do a book, the other one get it smaller and get the book same thing and
They might change it.
You might change it.
Each term a different book. So if they get this book for this term, you can't use it again. So, yeah.
Then you could have given like the second one, like this one, like the book.
I think changes, you know? Changes, why? The man inspired me to start, you know, because right now, guys, the man say him gone in 9, 12, it had to say 12. He says, okay. So, boy, 14 years ago, in a fire.
Yeah.
14 years ago, you came in your 50s, right? That's the last one in your 50s. See that shoot. Like banana tree, banana root, a shoot. I could go shoot again, guys. Yeah. This time a pro-jizer.
Yeah, I struck there as the garden.
Yeah, inside.
Yeah.
The temple.
Yeah,
the temple.
Man come when anything with them motor car and then all that one thing and instructor and temple them.
Of course, gotta make sure so the engine are for good, you know.
Yeah.
So the engine can check.
Yeah, I'm not
So guys, I use my pro-jizer. We have spirulina, oats, coconut. Come tell them what's in my pro-jizer again. Come. Tell them what's in my pro-jizer.
Banana, oats, spirulina, pumpkin seed, protein powder.
Protein powder.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what inside of my pro-jizer. Usually I would add a little avocado, but there's no avocado, you know. Avocado is nice to go inside of it. Yeah. It was so nice to go inside of it. Just a blossom. Okay. So guys, so this is where my living foods, you know, sometimes you see me at Ibo Spice and now you see me at living foods. You know, so this is so nice. And this is my lunch. This is my lunch. So this is in Lane Plaza. You know, if you know Lane Plaza, this is Lane Plaza. I'm going to get by the address and let you guys know where it is, just in case if you want to come try Living Foods. So when she come back, I'll get you back the address. You know, so if you decide you want to come and try them out, trust me, it's all healthy. You know? Okay, now anywhere the health is, that's where Kino always I can find. Yeah. I will go Ivo Spice later on. So I'm going here for lunch and Ivo Spice for dinner. You know, thing goes already. Here for lunch and Ivo Spice for dinner. What more can you do? So, living food. So here comes my burger.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Enjoy.
Come here, man. You know you can't go yet. This is my burger. So we're gonna tell them what is in my burger.
Okay, so that's a jerk pate. So it's made from beans and vegetables.
So
and it's a turmeric bun made from spelt flour. And what we serve on it is lettuce, tomato, caramelized onion, and ripe plantain.
Okay. So tell them about that white stuff that is.
So the white sauce is a veggie sauce. I don't know, we don't do dairy.
Yeah, so the veggie
It's
sauce.
a veggie sauce.
veg in the sauce, guys. So lovely, yeah. Living food. So give them back the address and where we are.
Shop number 2, Lane Plaza. That's off Constant Spring Road.
Okay. So it's shop number 2, Lane Plaza, off
Living
Constant
Food
Spring
and
Road.
Juices.
And give them the number.
857-7887. So that's 876. 857-87.
And it's living food and juices. So come here, live right. You want to live right, come here, living food to eat right. Right? So that is it. So let me go enjoy this burger. No one to the first bite, right? The first bite. Wait. You want to see the first bite? I have to get down into that one there. I love the turmeric bun. Trust.
Here's me, girl.
This is my lunch. Wow. Living food, you have to try it out. Please don't stop me greedy. I love healthy food. I am a foodie. I am not greedy. You know? Nice. So guys, you know what I'm going to eat? But I don't want to bite my tongue on camera. It will be a good joke, yeah? It will definitely be a good laugh, but you will laugh and I will be in pain. You know, so let me eat this for me and you. Yeah? And let me drink this for me and you. So that is the truth. Living food and juices. So I was spice, living food and juices. So alright. Wadam. Finish Wadam. And this finished too. Some man deal with food. This is how you deal with food. Oh, you deal with food, you don't leave nothing in a plate. Crucify the food. I gotta cook more. Alright, my general. You go guidance, yeah. Alright, come back now, try to pull the cup through the straw. And that is impossible. I'm trying to pull the cup through the straw, so I'm eating my dog, God knows. Burger was good. Good. Thank you so much. Yes. Until next time.
Yeah, man, big up your nice self.
Oh, you too. You got a nice clean self.
Alright.
Alright. Belly full, no magan. Don't eat. Oh, yeah, I was away. Blessings to her. Big up yourself. It's too bad I wasn't here when you came, you know. You know yourself. You was that person that came out and said, call Kena when I wasn't here. Too bad. I'm here now and you're not here. You know, so I hope you're watching and I say Happy New Year. Alright? Alright then, take care, yeah? Alright, so my belly full, me no hungry. My belly full. That's why I have to really give thanks, you know, at least we can find food. You know I'm going to be a bit greedy today again. So let me head down to this Shay's World. Let's head to Shay's World to get some smoothie. Hey, I don't know why I'm eating so much. Alright, so those are all. Hey, I'm gonna have a fruit smoothie at Shay's tea shop. Oh, whoa. Hey, wow. Happy New Year. Hello.
What was your New Year's?
Well, I'll see a new day. All is well. Can't complain, right? Can't complain. I want to get one of my regular. What may I always get again?
The berry blast?
The berry blast. Blast. Guys, you know what I'm tell you, say, yo, I'm a foodie. Just had a burger with a smoothie. I know I'm gonna come here and I want a next smoothie. But at least this one is a berry blast. It's the berries, you know. Blast me from the past. So, the belly full, me no hungry. So you have a berry blast and then go get my vehicle and then slide down in trench town sloops. Quick and fast. Quick and fast back in trench town. You know it goes already. So we at Shay's. Same place here in Lane Plaza. Just seconds walk from Living Food. You know everything goes already. So. Alright, so see me have my berry blast now. Blast me to the past. So I'm going to head down to my vehicle now. It's not even a simple walk at all. You know me from?
I'll show you where I know you from.
Oh, trace the camera, you know me?
Yeah?
Oops. Oh, so true you have a camera like mine, you say you know me?
Now YouTube, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, then me not tell us I know you.
Well, it's true you see me with the camera.
Yes, I'm still with the camera. I know everything. I'm mischievous.
But you can't remember. But you can't remember your name though.
Pull on, man. Pull on. Me try see if I am the monk up here.
Yeah.
Eh? That's me not know one.
Keno.
Keno.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Big up, big up. Say a YouTuber too?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
A video me make. A video though?
Yeah.
Me and my sister that one. Hi. Sharon. My YouTuber, you know? Yes.
Oh, you got the little camera too.
Yeah, this is the one that I said when I go back to England, I'm gonna get this one here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so
Hello.
you're a YouTuber. Okay.
Okay.
So now what do you vlog? Around Jamaica or just everything?
Yeah, I do charity also in Trenchtown.
Oh, okay. I'll follow you.
Yeah. But him say watch me, so.
Yeah, man.
Okay, give me his once we get back to the house and I'll follow
Yeah,
you
man.
as well.
If you remember it. Oh, Kino life in Jamaica. Do it from now. Do it from now.
Oh, if me remember it. Of course. So
good though.
Yeah, man, me good. Me more like walk around.
Oh, you walk around.
Walk around video me though.
Where channel name?
DMAC 4K World Tour.
Oh, DMAC 4K World Tour.
Yeah.
So you travel the world.
That me want to, my brother.
Oh, you not start yet?
Me start, man. See me there.
Okay, it says DMAC 4K. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Like that.
You gotta put it in yours in there.
Yeah, man. Me go England, Turkey, all over.
Okay.
Yes, man. But me not subscriber like you know. Me not reach up the side.
But you will get there. You will get there though.
Yeah, me I will get
Do
there.
you have a big following?
Yeah, man. You have a big following.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I got something.
Yeah, you got something. You know about
I got something. See, I got something, but not big so yet.
Yeah, but you go on.
Yeah, I'll go on.
All right.
Yeah.
I will definitely follow
Yeah, man.
you, sir.
Yeah. Alright, then, General. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
DMAC.
Yeah, man.
You see there? So pick him up, guys. You see there?
Yeah, man.
DMAC.
DMAC 4K World Tour.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the place.
He might tour the world, you know.
Yes.
That's what I mean, so. He might do great already.
Yes.
So I'm gonna start tour the world yet.
You understand?
You know, let's go 1 and 2 places.
Okay.
You know.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Kiana. You watching a little show? You show you watch? Gangster show. It's kind of your gangster. They have a gangster show. Oh, I'm going cool.
So far, the big tank free tour, the big tank free behind.
Yeah. Yeah, Jack. Bring one, turn on TV look at me. See remote the panel. See for your belly there.
Massive on the remote every time.
You drop it.
Yeah.
That's mute it. Alright. Somebody I passed by called me one donation for you from Nurse Jackie. I'm a Nurse Jackie.
Yeah, give me a feel them.
Yeah.
She have a brain every day we get up.
Yes.
And the eye.
Yeah, man. Nurse.
And the eye.
Nurse Jackie. You know, she sent that envelope here for you.
Yeah.
Because Nurse Jackie from the USA.
Turn on.
Yeah.
Thanks to Jackie. Go to the camera and turn on that fool me.
Oh, it's hard, man.
The light bit.
Oh, you're not seeing the light.
Yeah.
But it's on though.
Give thanks.
Nurse
Give
Jackie.
thanks. Nurse Jackie.
Yeah. Alright, then make you go and watch your movie then, right? Yeah. Since I go and watch it. Alright then, big up. I will link Philip. Yeah. Philip! Wow. Kino. Philip button down. What go on? Philip, your button down. There, man. I pass through, you know. I have an envelope for you from Miss Nurse Jackie from the US. You know, give me this envelope to give to you. Her name is Nurse Jackie.
Thank you, Nurse Jackie. Thank you. May go good Lord
Bless you.
be with you. May I go this a flight. Come your way. May your basket never empty. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yeah.
Alright then. Happy New Year though. All is well, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, good.
May walk a little bit.
Oh, you're walking a little bit now?
Without this, yeah.
Yeah? That's good then.
The doctor said,
Pressure it.
You must continue with it until I get better, good.
Okay.
Now share a little step.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
May I come on, man?
Yeah, man.
There's a hand here.
Just the hand, right? Also the hand lock up more now?
No. It'll lift up now.
Oh, it'll lift up? Okay, good. So how about your hand? Is that open now?
It's open. Yeah. More time.
More time. So you continue go and flex it though?
Yeah.
Okay. So at least it's improvement, right?
Yeah, man. I'm going to give the thanks to you.
Yeah, man.
May the good Lord ever be with you.
Yeah.
Because you make things possible. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So we give the glory to the Almighty, you know?
Yeah, man. God bless you, yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Big up. Alright, then take care of yourself, yeah? And let's take a time walk.
Yeah.
Alright?
Come.
Oh, yeah, come out.
Mom, there's some to this for me.
Okay.
Mosquito, no?
Mosquito, yeah. Alright, let's take a little time, though.
Yeah, man. May I come on, man?
Yeah, I realize.
Can't walk and come this out without a stick.
Oh, without the stick?
Yeah.
But you have to just go and use it, see me, just in case.
Doctor today.
You got doctor today?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do I say?
They say, me have sugar.
Oh, you don't have any sugar?
No.
Okay.
Only high blood
pressure?
Yeah, only that alone.
Yes. That is the case. Most of the case here in Trenchtown, you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, so take your time. You feel him?
Yeah, man.
We catch up.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, blessed.
Give God thanks, yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks. I would thank Nurse Jackie. You know, thank you so much, Nurse Jackie, for blessing Scanner. Yeah, for blessing Scanner and also Philip. You know, thank you so much. So, blessed. Patrick! Oh, go on. Kino. Patrick! Come here. Patrick, you lock up. Oh, go on.
It's brother. Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
It's been a while, right?
Yes, and the people them.
Extended family.
Yes, extended family. Peace and blessing be unto them.
Yes, sir. It's been a while, though.
Yes.
I'm glad everything is alright.
Yeah, give God thanks and praise.
How is the health?
Well, sometimes me no walk up and tongue like one time.
Okay.
You know, the walking kind of tough when I you notice the speech kind of, and you know.
What did you get?
Yeah, I'm 67 now, you know. Yes, December, the 1st of December,
Yeah.
I'm 67, so.
67?
Yeah.
Oh, you're 67? I thought you said 77.
No, 67.
Oh, 67.
Yeah.
You're born the 1st of December?
Yeah, the 1st of December, 1957.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're getting there, you're getting younger.
The first me laugh from
No say good man, you're getting younger, you know.
me laugh, kid.
Yeah. We got a donation here for you, you know.
Thank God.
Yes.
Thank God.
So I got this one here from Lizzie. You know, Lizzie from Broccoli.
Lizzie
from Broccoli. $5,000.
Thank you very much. Lizzie, thank you very much, Lizzie. Thank you very much, Lizzie. God bless you. You come right in time.
Right, you sir. Always right in time.
God, remember program and the money.
One thing about donation always come right in time, though.
Yeah, if you feel it, if I'm going to $20, I have in one little something. You know, the house, $20.
Wow.
And tomorrow, I say, I cook, and I buy one pepper and just one onion. So I can buy one onion now.
Yes,
and buy the pepper. I can cook tomorrow. Come. I cook today. I'm not cook. Some oats. Some oats I put for soup. And I mix it and drink it, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. With some Lasco.
Yeah.
With some Lasco. So, I say, yes, please. So, I have to give God thanks and praise.
Of course.
Lizzie.
From Broccoli.
From Bronx. Lizzie, thank you very much, Lizzie. Come and broke on money. And God bless you, Lizzie. And peace and blessing be unto you. And I beg, ask God to make you successful in life.
Yeah.
Successful in your business or your work. And peace and blessing be unto you. And God bless you and grant your paradise.
Yes.
And make life easier for you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Lizzie.
Yeah, man.
And thank Akino, the Dream Team.
Yes,
Bless the Dream Team
the
as
extended
well.
family.
Yes, extended family as well.
Yeah.
The Dream Team as well. And I'm give God thanks.
Yes, sir. Take care of yourself, man, yeah?
Thank you, Kino.
And let's go and look out for the LCM, you know?
Thank you.
Just take your time, you know?
I'm going to find to me, like when we eat that, like when we eat anything. I thank God for this money to come back up and buy some pill tomorrow.
Yeah.
For my stomach.
Oh.
My find so anytime like anytime eat anything.
Nah, digest properly.
Right. So I can buy something for stuff.
For the digestion.
Yeah, digesters pill.
Okay. So you explain that to the doctor when you go?
No, I'm not go back to the doctor yet. My appointment.
Oh, you have an appointment?
Yes, I have an appointment. I go back to the doctor. But I can't go up.
The clinic?
The clinic, yes.
Oh, which one? Slaping Road?
Slaping Road, yes.
Okay.
I can't go up there and tell them.
Yeah.
You know, and then give us some for tomorrow. But I'm going to buy something still tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll buy something still.
And you don't drink no dairy stuff, right?
No, I'm not.
The Lasco, the Lasco dairy.
Lasco dairy. Yeah. I drink Lasco.
We don't want them thing that for your stomach.
Me too?
Yeah.
Me not for.
No, you want to avoid like the dairy stuff them.
Alright, I like that, you know.
Yeah.
No. Alright, like that, yeah.
Drink some local bush tea as well to can help you.
Remember drink tea bag?
Tea bag?
Yeah.
You can't drink tea bag and we have so much natural bush about the place.
You know.
You can pick fever grass, fever bush and then put something there. You have so much thing you can boil. You can drink the tea bag,
Tea bag, what name?
You have mint where you can pick as well too.
Ginger and.
But with ginger you can just use the natural, the raw ginger itself, you know.
Turmeric and ginger.
Yeah, turmeric
and ginger.
That's a tea bag. But
tea bag.
To clean with the tea bag, you know, but you get it natural.
Yeah,
the turmeric itself and the ginger, you can boil them more than use a tea bag.
Alright.
You know? Yeah, man. So just do the right thing, yeah?
Yes.
And take care of yourself.
And thank you for this.
Yeah, man. No problem, man.
You forgot thank you first.
Alright.
And what's your name again?
Lizzie.
Thank you very much, Lizzie. God bless you. God bless you, Lizzie. Come here.
Yeah.
At the right time, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Alright then, man, Patrick.
Alright, kid.
Love, yeah?
Respect, yeah?
Yeah,
Respect.
man.
Thank
Alright,
you.
bless. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, guys, so.
I'm glad you're 4 for 5.
Yeah, man, cool, no? Alright, guys, so basically I'm just screeching in trench, so no one knows I'm coming. But through while I'm coming, same time I just make these stops because it was on the way. Because I left my car now to get it washed, so I never tell no one I'm coming. Wash chef called me and I said, I don't think I'm gonna come, you know, but literally here, so I'm doing the solo walking, you know. Solo. They're gonna be surprised. Yeah, so yeah, man, so I got that donation for Patrick. So guys, I'm doing a solo walk. They never know that I'm coming, so you know it can go. Boom! Boom!
Bring your golf search for me there.
How this? And then he's on this? And then him?
I see him on.
A quarter that? How that? Oh? Of course we're blind. Yeah, of course. Dennis that?
Yeah, but him bleach out.
Different. Jaja. Pat them brown than you. Brown than Dennis too. Hey, what? You're brown and Pat. Oh, chef, what go on, barn above? They are screeching at the place, you know?
That, you know what to say, screeching.
Screeching in, you know?
Yeah, all the youngsters just come in so we can look some cook.
Ah. Oh, I'm left the car about chef, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Jesus, there, man, you know?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, we just come off of the road, people, and I tell them I'm tired, that's it. Skin all white. Yeah, you know, get look a lotion, all that day, look more rub up, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Up and running, man.
Yeah.
See it?
Make it Gloria one, doing Governor. Come give Governor. Come give Gloria one donation. Awesome, Gloria. She there?
Yeah, man, she's there.
Come to us.
Look here, she's here.
Friend, I love you.
Dynamite. Just a pass and a call a while ago. Yeah, yard. And there's some walk. Yeah, may I come there? Trying, man.
Yeah, man. Is it all good?
Oh, yeah, man. All is well, man.
Alright.
Chung lang, dog whisperer. Hello, me. You okay? Alright, good. Governor, all is well. I should not make you sit down up. Yeah, can make a collected fare then, right?
Information technology.
Alright, Gloria.
Evans,
Hope all is well.
Spiegel,
I'm not really to keep her up then. So I have $5,000 a year. Here for Gloria from Miss Lizzie from Brockley. So you can tell Miss Lizzie thank you.
Thank you, Miss Lizzie.
You call this
Miss
Lizzie? Miss Lizzie.
Miss Lizzie.
Yeah.
Very thankful for the donation. He served as mayor of Spain, leader of the Trinidad Working Men's Association, and the founder of the Trinidad Political Party.
Yes. Alright, so we give thanks to Miss Lizzie from Brockley, England. You know, thank her so much. Gloria, okay though, yeah?
Mathematics.
You got dressed, so your foot better now, you're coming on better, right?
What is the probability that the next film
Alright
will come
then.
up tails?
Let's go and relax, yeah, Gloria?
Manchester.
Alright then, Governor. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so hot.
Alright then.
Physics. What is the kinetic energy of a body of mass 40 kilograms?
Alright, guys, so.
9 meters per second.
Alright, so we give thanks to Miss Lizzie, you know, from Brockley for the donation for Patrick, and also for Miss Gloria, you know, and Nurse Jackie. You know, we thank you as well to Nurse Jackie for the donation for Scanner and also for Philip, you know.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.